Explore the beautiful waters of Fiji with a kayak adventure. Fiji, with its picturesque coasts and diverse ecosystems, is a kayaker's paradise. There's an adventure waiting for you, regardless of your skill level. The ideal time to kayak in Fiji is during the dry season, from May to October. The sea is calm, and the weather is dry and sunny. But remember, kayaking is a year-round activity in Fiji. Fiji is home to breathtaking kayaking locations. The Mamanuca Islands offer clean waters and coral reefs. The Yasawa Islands have remote beaches and traditional Fijian settlements. The Navua River winds through thick jungle, and the Sabato Hot Springs offer thermal spring-fed pools. Fiji offers a range of kayaking adventures. Sea kayaking is common, paddling on open water along the coast or between islands. River kayaking is also popular, with rivers ranging in difficulty. Stand-up paddleboarding is a fun and challenging workout. When choosing a kayaking operator, safety is crucial. Choose operators with a history of safety and who adhere to recommended practices. Experience, reputation, and price are also important factors to consider. While kayaking in Fiji is typically safe, always wear a life jacket. Protect yourself from the sun with sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Be mindful of your surroundings and the water's conditions. And remember, it's crucial to respect local customs and culture. So are you ready to explore the beautiful waters of Fiji with a kayak adventure? It's an experience you won't forget. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.